Hi, I'm Susan. Today I am making an appetizer and it only has two ingredients, little smokies and crescent rolls. So this is easy, it's great for get-togethers, it's great for game day, anytime you need a little something. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's get started. These are so easy to make. I have my oven preheating at 375 degrees. You want to open up your crescent rolls. Now if you do the full recipe, it'll be 2 packs of crescent rolls and 2 packs of the smokies. But I'm just doing half since it's just the 4 of us eating them. And you just want to divide your triangles into 3 triangles. Roll them up from the big side to the little side and lay your smokies onto the tray with the tip side down, and now they're ready to cook. These have been baked for about 15 minutes. Alright, it's time to give these little mini crescent dogs a taste test. I love them, but I knew I did because I've made them so many times. I mean, they're so good. And it's good with mustard too. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.